guys, it's me, your girl Sarah here, and today we're gonna make an unboxing video again. Oh, well, it's Jenga, 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 Jenga. So, we went in the car after school, went to Asian Market, Sam's Club, Walmart, and I got this from Walmart. So let's open it up in front of you guys. OMG. So got it. This is Jenga. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be awesome. So I guess we keep on. Oh, this is very sneaky. The instructions are here. Oh, okay. Ow! Okay. Trying. You want to keep it like this, so the tower quickly. I'm gonna have to need some scissors. Everyone on YouTube watching that. Okay. Oh. The instructions are in a cool place. Do it. It's gonna be scary. Take it all out. Feels like real wood blocks for Minecraft. I'm taking out all the blocks. I can't. I'm not allowed to. It's a box connected. You need to come out. Okay. I swear to death, I'm like, it smells like Play-Doh. Oh! It was the one behind the camera. It says Jenga. Jenga. I can't like. Okay, Jenga. I can't like. It's like upside down or something. Here's a box, and I need to show you the instructions are very cool because they're like that. You need to read it like that. How did that just turn on? Okay. You guys need to smell this. It smells like Play-Doh. It covers the whole entire phone because it's like a big block. So here's the Jenga comparing to the broken Jenga that I had before. I think that's all we have for today, folks. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this Jenga set with me. And subscribe to my channel if you're new, or if you're not, don't subscribe. If you like this video, like it and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So, I want to keep on going on YouTube to be the best YouTuber ever. So please subscribe to my channel and please give me a best YouTuber trophy thing. I don't know what it's called. I forgot what it was called, but I love it. I'm trying to get it, you guys. I just started my whole entire channel. I'm like done being a noob. And I only have 6 subscribers. So please give me 1,000 subscribers. So please, and comment down below what's your favorite part of this Jenga video. And have an awesome day and stay sweet and have an awesome Jenga day.